The directions say to expand the logarithmic expression as much as possible. So that means I want to break this apart into separate logarithms. Right now I've got ln, remember that means natural log. So the natural log of e squared over 15, that's really e squared divided by 15, so that's a quotient. So I have the log of a quotient, and the properties of logarithms say if I have the log of a quotient, I can rewrite that as the difference of the logarithms. So I'm going to rewrite this as a subtraction problem with logarithms, the log of the top minus the log of the bottom. So I get natural log of e squared minus natural log of 15. In this case now, when I look at the first expression here, natural log of e squared, that's the natural log of something to a power. And we have another property of logarithms that says the log of something to a power, I can bring that power down in front of the logarithm and multiply. So that's going to be 2 times the natural log of e minus the natural log of 15. The directions also say that I'm supposed to evaluate logarithmic expressions without using a calculator if possible. Now, the natural log of 15, that's equal to some weird decimal, but I can't figure out what that is without a calculator. Remember, ln, that's a logarithm and there's no base written underneath it. It's really a base of e. So natural log of 15 would say e to what power is 15, and I just don't know that. However, natural log of e, I can do something with that. So natural log of e is really log base e of e, and that says then e to what power is e, and so I would get that has to be 1. E to the first power is e. So when I go back here, instead of natural log of e, I can write 1, so 2 times 1 minus natural log of 15. Of course, 2 times 1 is just 2. So I get 2 minus the natural log of 15, and that's my solution.